Said my boys in Bona get me wet.
Okay.
But Bona especially.
Bye, Ollie. Don't let the kids bully you.
Hey, you and John should bring some shirts back
Also,
here.
John. Peace,
So we have the
dude.
whole house.
F. Shit. F. I got that on tape. Alright, so day 4?
Yeah.
Day 4. We are going to Universal Japan. We woke up late. We were planning to. They open at 9. It's currently 9:30. We were supposed to be there at open. It's not happening today. But yeah, that's the plan. John and Oliver stayed to do laundry.
They're gonna learn how to do laundry. And if all my clothes are shrunken when I get back, we fucking kill them.
So right now, it's me and Dylan meeting up with Jay and Damien at 7. CJ is following us behind. So yeah, we'll see you guys at Universal. So we just made it to Universal City. We out here. So before we go to Universal, we're gonna get some sushi. It's pretty cool. It's a revolving sushi restaurant, so you kind of have it on like a conveyor belt. Alright, revolving sushi. You go in.
Actually, no, this
Table or counter table?
Oh my god. Wait.
Grilled salmon. I'll take that.
Water.
Thank you.
You want me to call for water?
So you actually
That's probably yours. Let me ask.
just take a tablet. You can order from here.
I can ask.
Nothing is on the conveyor belt that you want. So you just take this. So I ordered it already, but I just wanted to show you guys. This is cool. So pretty excited for that. Got the blue fish.
You owe me 1 coin.
Or blue fin. Blue fin.
You owe me 1 coin.
What y'all think? It's good? It's good? Pretty sick. Pretty good experience.
Yeah, I'm glad that we had sushi.
Yeah. So we just finished up at the conveyor belt sushi place. It was so good. I only spent like $20. We are all so hyped to go to Universal Studios Japan.
I'm so excited.
Okay, do it. But yeah, super excited. Y'all wanna see the entrance. First visit. First visit. So totally forgot that our fast passes were timed, so you have to go at a certain time to hit all the rides. So we're kind of rushing to go to our Harry Potter ride, which is our first fast pass. So yeah, we're gonna get you over there. Oh my god! Yes, we are hype. Where are we? We're going to Hogwarts, okay? Don't let the time you No, and this is where you say this is a weird looking Gandalf.
Oh my god.
Slytherin gang.
The dragon was so
Are you scared of the ghosts?
Yeah, I'm scared of the ghosts.
Dude, dragons?
Ghosts, okay?
Dude, they're Dementors, dude. Just finished Harry Potter ride. Sick as usual. Our next fast pass is the Flying Dinosaur, and that's at like 2 o'clock. So we're probably just gonna go around Harry Potter a little bit more.
To identify a water.
Show me a picture, I can flash it. Spent
That's
10
really
bucks
good.
on a cup.
Oh, nice, man.
It's so nice.
Nice. I like it,
Oh my
Matt.
god. So good.
Cheers.
You didn't do the boomerang. You good.
You ready for the Flying Dinosaur? Alright, so we just finished Flying Dinosaur. It was sick. I couldn't get like any footage of the ride just because they kind of prohibited it. Such a good ride. See? That's us. You basically like lay flat and you go up this thing, which I'm probably gonna get soon. I'm gonna do the jaws ride now. Probably get a little wet, but I'm always wet, so. Lining up for the jaws ride around the express line. Me and TJ are talking about how we feel bad for like passing all these people because we're in the express line. Passed like a good 1,000 people today, so. You don't understand anything.
I think I know what the lady said now.
So you're telling me that I was most worried about getting wet. I got the most wet because on the edge. Yeah, but it was pretty good, right? What'd you think, Damien?
Not what I expected. Not less water than I thought.
Yeah, got the most wet.
Yeah, I don't know why you chose the edge.
Well, I was just like, I want to switch it up, you know? Because we kept doing the same 3 and 4. We're probably going to go to Hollywood Dream now, you know? Last fast pass ride, so we're going to have to line up for our other rides. Alright, we're doing Hollywood Dream. Sadly, I don't think we're going to be doing backdrop. Is it the same thing, just backwards?
I hope. Actually, I think so. I honestly thought it was the same coaster, and then when it was done, it just flung me back.
So, we just did Hollywood Dream. That's actually really good. Oh, it's right there actually. Look at this. It's pretty awesome. So a lot of rides have like a 2-hour wait time. Even like Spider-Man has a 2-hour wait time. So don't know what we're gonna do. So Brandon, think you can do this, dude?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, got this.
100%.
Brandon's basically gonna try to hit those bottles over there. They have to go off the table and get some.
We're not gonna put this in if we don't get it, right?
Oh hell yeah, I'm gonna put it in.
We'll get it.
Yeah, we'll get it. We'll get 2.
Yeah. Not even close. We're trash.
Do that Jurassic Park ride. We go wet, right, Dylan? I really hope he gets the most wet.
I'm gonna be going down, all the bees will be like, up! And then I'll be, whoa, cooties.
Why are we friends with you?
What do you mean?
So we just finished the Jurassic Park ride. We got pretty wet. Well, I didn't really get wet because I put my anorak on. But your boy Matt did. Boy CJ really did. How'd you like the ride?
Really good.
Happy we did it, right? Because like, I don't know, it's like something you have to do at Universal. Oh, we actually did the single rider line. It was supposed to be like a 2-hour wait, but it cut it down. Like, it said 40 minutes, but it didn't feel like 40 minutes. So Japanese people love Harry Potter so much that there was a draw to like get back into the wizarding world of Harry Potter. So we have to get
Bullshit.
these numbers drawn. or that number for Damien. Hopefully these numbers are chosen.
I love
We
it,
can check an
3,000.
hour before. So we're just gonna wait like another 5 minutes, so hopefully we can get chosen. Exit.
6:50. Get to find out if we're going back into the Wizarding World of Harry Potter.
So pretty choked, our ticket didn't get called, so we can't go back in, and apparently we can't get more tickets. So all pretty sad about that, just because we thought we could go back in, and we were in, and we left to go to like our other fast pass, which is kind of stupid because that means we wouldn't be able to stay there as long as we want because we have to leave. But at least we got to go in for a bit. So we couldn't go to Harry Potter World, but the consolation prize, there was still some merch that they were selling in the Universal Studios store. So I'm getting Kaylee this keychain for her phone actually, so hopefully she likes it. And then I'm gonna get myself a Spider-Man shirt. So I think we are ending the night or finishing up Universal. We're not really safe for the parade because it wasn't really anything crazy. But we are going to eat at a ramen place near our Airbnb that we've been looking at this whole time. So hopefully get some good food. We just finished eating at this restaurant. It is almost 11. Me and Jay messed up. We thought we got udon. We just got meat. Meat and broth and egg. A really good egg though. Really good egg. Our last stop, calling it a night for day 4. Tomorrow we leave early to go to Nagoya so we can go to Week Fest. Alright, we'll see you tomorrow.